Hello, my name is Saul Trujillo, and this is my data protocol for Module 12. I want to start with the blank graphic organizer of my protocol, then I'll explain the guiding questions within each section. I used two different resources from the course guide for my protocol. The first one I used was called Here's What, So Now What, and then the other one I used was the 5 Essential Questions document from this module. The 5 steps of my protocol include collecting the data, organizing the data, analyzing the data, and then the next steps from my data. This is the blank page that teachers could use to record notes or any findings from the data. As a resource, teachers could use this next page to help guide their discussions. So what type of data are we looking at? Is it standardized tests, classroom assessments? Who all should we look at? Should we all look at small groups of students, classrooms, or grade levels? How can we color code the data? What do we think is a passing score? What is a failing score? Is it appropriate to find class averages? Which demographics are important to remember? And then for analyzing the data, who is understanding, who is not understanding it, and then how can we enrich it, or what interventions can we use with them? And then next steps from the data, when will we need to retest the ones who are not understanding it, and then what should we do if the interventions do not work. As for the reflection part of this protocol, I think teachers would react positivity if when given the protocol. I think it would be important to be flexible when having discussions, but having this protocol would keep everyone on track. I'm sure we're not the only school, but time that is set aside for data talks goes by really fast, and teachers like to talk about their students, but can sometimes get off track. Having a set of questions to guide the discussion could save time and accomplish more. Um, and then for how could your protocol be adapted to work with different subjects and groups of people, this protocol could work with any subject or group of people. It's just who's looking at the data and how it can fit into different situations. And then the last box about how might a graphic organizer help teachers with the data analysis process. Like I said before, having a data analysis process can help teachers get to the now what portion of data analysis a lot faster. And I found that we often get stuck on discussing individual kids and expressing frustrations or troubles instead of collaborating and actually looking at the data and um, helping the situation out. Thank you for watching.